Do you wake up each morning haunted by the dread of bad breath that makes you worry about what others think of you? Does the uncomfortable pain in your teeth persist, making you doubt their strength and sufficiency? As you smile in the mirror, are you confronted with the stark reality of yellow teeth, robbing you of the confidence to face the world? I understand the torment that thousands around the globe endure daily, grappling with these dental demons. But what if I shared a revelation that could liberate you from this perpetual agony? Picture a solution that promises to dissolve the shackles of your dental concerns. I implore you to watch this brief video until the very end. It unveils a transformative remedy that could redefine your oral health. Enter Dentitox Pro, an extraordinary formula that transcends the ordinary, revolutionizing the landscape of dental well-being. Imagine a world where your teeth stand strong, your breath is a breath of fresh air, and your smile radiates confidence. Dentitox Pro is not just a product. It's a beacon of hope for those yearning to reclaim their oral vitality. Crafted in the USA, in FDA-approved and GMP-certified facilities. Under meticulous standards, Dentitox Pro is the epitome of safety and efficacy. Enriched with natural and plant-based vitamins A, C, D3, and K2, along with phosphorus, potassium, zinc, microencapsulated calcium, mixed xylitol, collagen, MSM, mint, and peppermint. This powerful concoction combats every lurking bacteria in your mouth. It's time to rediscover the joy of smiling without reservations. Dentitox Pro doesn't just promise. It delivers proven results. To ease your skepticism, we extend a 60-day guarantee. Test the product, and if it fails to meet your expectations, we'll refund your entire investment without hesitation. That's our commitment to your satisfaction. For authenticity, we urge you to make your purchase through the official website. Beware of unauthorized sellers, as counterfeit products may compromise your journey to impeccable oral health. As an added incentive, bulk purchases of 3 or more bottles qualify for significant discounts and free shipping, a gesture to kickstart your comprehensive oral care regimen. Say goodbye to the discomfort that has plagued you for so long. Embrace the promise of incredible oral health, free from the clutches of bacteria, and revel in the transformation that Dentitox Pro brings. If this video resonates with you, show your support by liking and leaving a comment below. A warm hug and goodbye. It's time to embark on your journey to a healthier, more confident you.